Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Lifestyle, DeFi and Play to Earn Passive Income channel, where I show you my DGen journey. This is Paul, and in today's video we will talk about BingX, which is a crypto exchange that has a lot of features. Mainly what I'm interested in here is the copy trading feature, which has been hyped recently by many YouTubers. I've been testing the platform for a few days, and now I'm ready to do a show review, the introductory review, and show you how I do it. So if you are interested, stay tuned. Alright guys, and we are back. And as usual, before we move forward, remember, none of this is a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so you should always do your own research before you do anything. I am also not a trading specialist. I do trading. It's mostly shitcoin trading on Binance Smart Chain. So I am not an expert when it comes to trading like a pro, okay? So I am always looking for passive income opportunities. This is how I make money mostly, okay? I am testing some bots. I will probably speak about it in the future, but on this platform the main reason for doing this video is the copy trading feature. Okay, so if you go to copy trading here, you can see the traders, and some of them are doing really good. I mean, it looks like that they are doing really good, but there are a few things that are very important when you want to select the trader. There will be a separate video about how to deposit to the platform, so I will not go into the technicalities. I assume here on this video that you already deposited, or you just want to know about the copy trading feature here. Okay, so if you go here, there obviously traders who will trade futures will be the most profitable traders, but at the same time they will have the highest risk that will come with copying them. Okay, so there are risk levels here which are done automatically when the trader is trading, so you can select traders using this feature. You will have training traders here. If you go to see all the trading traders, that might be a good source when you are looking for a trader. I am using one trader now, Oasis, and I will use this trader as an example, and then we will look at a few other traders. So I've been copying this trader for like 2 days, maybe, I don't know, more or less. At first, when I started copying him, it was around the weekend. We've seen Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market going up slightly, and he was doing shorts. And at first, after I logged in, after 12 hours, more or less, I've seen like minus $30. You know, the trades were not going in the good direction. Well, it seemed they were not. But well, I stayed with the trader, and right now if you go here, you can see that I also checked this exchange. The trading volume for the last 24 hours is over 283 million, so it's pretty big. It's just, you know, I assume it's pretty big, so that's good. You know, it's always good to check everything, and before, you know, I decided to do this video, I wanted to test it out. So the market is not looking good right now, but you know, I am following a trader who is shorting the market. So right now I am getting nice earnings, all right, with only 300 that I assigned to this trader, and the one trade is 30 USDT. So you know, it's almost 10% on all of these trades. Most probably he will try to finish it with 10% well, you can check that the average profit that he is closing with is 9%. Okay, the win ratio is 98.31%, and this is why I selected this trader, because I felt like, you know, he's been trading almost 300 days for this platform, and he had, during that time, he had only 3 losing trades. So it's not closing with a loss. He made some profit for people who are copying him. Right now it's 1,200 people, almost 1,300 people copying him. There are traders that are being copied by 5,000-10,000 here. So I think that this was a wise choice. I could have, because I already deposited over 1,000 USDT here, so I can go and select more traders, okay? Because right now I am only using 300, okay, for the trading. I mean, this is how we do it. I will show you this in a minute. Let's go back to manage copy trades, okay? And here you can see that I assigned 30 USDT, okay, for this trader, and the daily copying trading amount, I set it to 300, so he cannot take more than 300 daily from my account, okay? And so far, I think that's a good one, okay? What I could do right now is to edit here and just select more, like 50, 70, or 100 for him to be trading with that, because it seems like he's doing really good. I'm happy with the results so far. I was happy to see that when it got low, he didn't panic. He waited. Maybe he is a good analyst. And then the market went the way that he predicted it would. And seeing the good statistics behind it, I feel that, you know, it was a good choice. So what I could do is to assign more, which I might do. But I could also diversify with other traders. I actually tested some of these earnings were made by them, but then I didn't know how it works exactly. Right now I, you know, review it. I watched a lot of videos, saw how people were trading. I have some friends who are using the platform, so I also talked with them. And no, I came up with some assumptions, okay? So, first of all, I mean, this was the first trader that I selected, but he got so many followers because of probably a hype around the platform, mostly by Rastafari. Shout out to Rastafari, where I found about this platform from his videos, okay? And I watched a lot of these videos to see his assumptions. So the first trader he selected was TamTam. He was doing really good, like really good. But right now he's not trading, okay? So I decided to close the copy trading. But you can easily go with him. You go here, and this is what you will choose. You can I'm not sure how I can. This is what's available on the futures account. I have to check it. All right, but let's assume that you have 500 USDT to trade, okay? And you can do that here, selecting how much you want to spend per one order, okay, per one trade. And let's assume most of the traders are doing 10 trades per day, but you know, this is just an assumption. So let's go with 50 here, okay? And then, well, you can also set take profit or stop loss, which will mean that if in any case the trader is having a loss, you can set 20% loss as your, like, what you can afford to lose. And then it will stop copying him at the time that he will lose 20% of your assigned capital of the open trade that he's using. Then you can set take profit. So let's assume he will make 10%. It will automatically close for you, even if he doesn't close. Okay. Or you can also set a daily trading limit. So let's say it will be 500 here, and max open position principle. But I'm not using it. I'm only setting daily limit. Okay. But you can analyze how the trader is trading and sort of decide yourself how to set it up. I'm not using stop loss or take profit. I kind of, just want this to be fully automatic. So maybe it's a good idea to diversify. So if you have like 1,000 like me, you can choose 3 traders and set them up with $333. So if the one trader is doing bad, maybe the other one can have other positions and can be doing better. Okay, so this is how you can diversify inside the platform. Also, if you go to a trader, let's check this one. You can see what he is trading. Okay, so obviously if a trader is trading like Bitcoin and Ethereum, it might be less risky, because these are like the best performing, most stable cryptocurrencies. So when trading shitcoins, shit can happen. Okay, so you can also check that. And most of the things that I'm checking are a total transaction number, the win ratio, the average loss and average profit. Here is quite high, so I think this one might be risky. Okay, because you never know. This is from the last 30 days, but historical data doesn't like guarantee future profits. Okay, this is one of the most important rules in trading, so you never know. Here you can see how he is doing now with his current positions, and it's not looking good. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. Actually, he's long in the market. Look at the loss here, is just bad, and he seems like a good trader, but so maybe if you are using this high risk traders, you might want to set stop loss. So if you had it like on 20%, you will not have this much of a loss, because it will automatically close for you. Maybe he is waiting for the market to go up. He can still get out of these positions. Probably if you trade him as not like in the case of other traders. Yeah, here you are setting the amount that you want him to trade with, not like per order, but he will be using the whole amount. So for me, that's also like more risky. It's like cross margin, so I don't like that. So I won't be using I won't for sure be going with this trader, but it just shows that statistics are not everything. Okay, it seems that he is very good, but he's human, so he can be wrong. And even though he only had 42 losses, they were quite huge. Okay, so this is a risky trader. You can see the trade history here. He usually closes with a profit. Okay, but here, no, he didn't. And if you were in this position, you could possibly lose a lot, everything. So this trader is definitely not for me. I don't accept such high risk, and he is like risking too much in my opinion. But you might be lucky enough to be able to earn with them. There is also one more thing that the copiers profit. So this is actually the profit he made for other people that they were copying him, and he also has his account access, 70k in here. So this is something that I also look at. He's risking quite huge himself. There are a lot of traders here who are just trading with a small amount, hoping to be copied, and they are earning from that. Okay, they are like 20 or 25% from the profits that the trader will make are going to the trader, and it will what I'm seeing here, my actual right now, my total earnings, they already are the whole amount that the trader earned, the fees were deducted from this amount. So this is the final amount minus fees. Okay, so yeah, this include unrealized P&L, trading fees, funding fees, and the trader's profit share have been deducted from this earnings. Okay, so if you are a trader and you are being copied, you obviously earn. Okay, so that's how it works, more or less. You can also use spot grid traders. Okay, and some of them are doing pretty good, but obviously they will earn, most of them will earn less than the futures traders. So this is where I will be choosing my traders. You can also, there are conservative traders here, with a risk rating of 1, 2, 3, and if you are looking like for 0.5% daily or something like that, this is where I would look. Okay, because it seems that these guys are less risky choices, but they can still earn a lot for you. If it would be like 20 to 30% monthly, it's a huge amount, where I don't see where a lot of places we can get that with a low risk attached to it, because here it's not like this platform will shut down. I mean, it always can. We've seen this on this market, things happening like FTX, but it's not like a shit platform. Okay, 258 million, 283 million trading volume for the last 24 hours. Okay, so if we go to this trader who has a risk rating of 1, only 1, this this looks still looks good. 70% from the last 180 days, 99.95% accuracy, only 1 lost trade. So yeah, this is very safe, seems like to be very safe. So you can choose whatever you want. Maybe this is enough for you, you don't want to risk, or you can risk a portion of your capital, like diversifying with conservative traders. You can see all the traders here, and you can browse through it. This is a trader I selected, but I guess I don't know if there is something with these traders who were sort of advertised by other YouTubers and gained a lot of followers. They are not trading now. Yeah. So I wanted to go with this trader, but obviously, yeah, he done one trade. He's done one trade now. So maybe he will be trading, maybe just testing it out with 1x leverage. So maybe I will be going with this one. His results were quite impressive. The win ratio is, I accept that. Looks pretty good. So I wanted to go with this one. You can check him or her out. I don't know. And you can just look yourself. Maybe this is one that I checked as well. The average profit 25%, average loss 10%. Also win ratio over 93%, and number of losing trades 21. 349% ROI in the last 30 days. Let's see 90 days. You see why it's lower? Because back then, if you went with him, he might have some losses, so this is how you check it. Okay, so this is probably why I didn't go with him. I wasn't exactly sure. You can just go through history, see if he had, yeah, sometimes he has some losses. Obviously trading is losing sometimes as well. So this is risky stuff, okay guys? You should be aware of that. That's what I wanted to show you. I will do a second video where I will show you how to deposit here, maybe some other functions like grid trading, which is also very interesting. But you can get that on other exchanges like KuCoin, but still, maybe it's better, you know, you never know until you test. You test it, you can see the results of this grid trading for the last 30 days now, for the last 2 weeks, okay? And some of it was pretty impressive. So yeah, just do your research, guys. You can use my link if you want to go with this. I might get some of the profits as a commission if you do that. So thank you in advance, and thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment, that will help me to grow the channel. For now, thank you, and see you soon in my next video.